Hey friends, let's get straight into this fantastic song. And for the tuning, go to standard tuning, then drop down to 330. So we're in between E and E flat. And as always, we'll do all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for guitar 1 we're playing the 9, D and G 2 times, then slide from 11 to 13 on the G, play 12B, then play 11 on the D and the G, back to 9 D and G. So we have. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing but back 2 frets, so 7 D and G 2 times. G, 9, slide to 11, play 10B, back to 9, D and G, to 7 D and G. Then we're jumping back to the 2nd fret, and this is all on the D and the G string again, 2 times, 4, 2, then do a bend and release on the 4, playing the D and the G, back to 2, then move up 2 frets and do the same thing again, so 4, 4, 6, 4, bend the 6 and release, back to the 4, and we do that through 2 times. Let's try that slowly. Two times there, and then to finish the intro off we're going to play 9 D and G to 11 A and D, back to 9 D and G, 11 A and D, 9 D and G 2 times, back to 11 A and D, 9 D and G to 11 D and G with a bend and release, back to 9 D and G 2 times, 11 A and D, 9 D and G, 11 A and D, back to 9 D and G 2 times, 11 A and D, 9 D and G, and then 11 D and G with the bend and release. So slowly. Now the second guitar, all the start stays exactly the same. It's just our last riff, our 9s to 11s on the D and the G to the A and the D. We're putting in a mute, so we have the 9, 11, mute, 9, 11, mute, and then the rest stays the same. To the 9s 2 times, 11, mute, 9, 11, mute, and finish the same. So let me show you that up to speed. So we have those mutes in there, and they're all the parts to the intro. So for our verse, guitar 1 we're going to play 9 D and G 2 times, 11 A and D, back to 9 D and G. Then we're going to do our intro riff, but we're coming back to 4 D and G 2 times, G 6 slide to 8, 7 B, back to 6 D and G to 4 D and G. Then we're jumping back to the 9 on the D and the G 2 times, 11 A and D, 9 D and G, 11 A and D, 9 D and G 2 times, 11 A and D, back to 9 D and G, and then do the bend and release on 11 D and G. Go back to the start again with our 9s. our fill on the 4. Now come back to the 2nd fret on the D and the G 2 times, 4 on the A and the D, 2 D and G, 4 A and D, back to the D and G 2 times, 4 A and D, back to 2 D and G. Then we're going back to our intro riff again with the 9s. Our 4 riff the same. Then we're going to play 4 on the D and the G 2 times, and the 2nd time hammer on to 6 D and G. Jump to the A string, 4, hammer on to 6, and then 4 D and G to the A power chord. So that little part slowly. Go back to our intro riff again. Back to our 4 riff again. And then back to the 2s on the D and the G like we did earlier in the verse. And then to finish off, come back to the 4 on the D and the G to get us ready for the chorus. Now that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. Now guitar 2 is nearly exactly the same, except we're putting our mutes back in that riff again. So all the same. And here we put our mutes in. Repeat again. Same as the first guitar, except we're going to put our mutes in again. Mute, mute. Now here it changes, we're going to play the 4 on the D and the G to get ready for the next part of the riff again. Back to the 4. Our hammer on. So all the same as the first guitar. Finish the lick off. Back to the 4s. And to our 2s again with the mute. And they're all the parts to the verse. So then we have our chorus, and it's just our intro again, and guitar 1 and 2 are doing the same as before. Now before we go on, welcome to my channel dedicated just to Kiss songs. Here you'll get guitar lessons from all eras, from the early classics to deep cuts and everything in between. And I'll be uploading a new song every week and covering all the guitar parts. So please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's keep going. So for our 2nd verse, guitar 1 is nearly exactly the same. We're going to add the 4 D and G at the end of our riff the first time we go back to the 2nd fret. So go up to 4 D and G. The other change is our little fill from the hammer on. So let me play that for you. So this time we're going to do the 4 D and G 2 times, hammer on to 6 on the 2nd time. Then play 6 on the G, 5 on the B. Go back to 4 D and G, 6 D and G, 4 D and G, and then to the A power chord. And both guitars do the fill the same. Now guitar 2 is exactly the same as before, except now that fill is different. Then we have our 2nd chorus, and we're just not playing the last part of the intro. All the first part stays the same. We're just doing that through 2 times, and that's our 2nd chorus there. And guitar 1 and 2 are doing the same as before. So let's have a look at our rhythm guitar behind our solo, and we'll do our solo at the end. We're going to do 4 D and G, hammer on to 6 D and G. Play our 6 G, 5 B, and then do on the G, 6 pull off the 4, to D6, do 4, hammer on to 6 on the D, 6 on the G. Jump back to an A power chord 2 times, jump to the A string, 2, hammer on to 4, 2nd fret D and G, and do that 2 times. Jump back to our 4, D and G, hammer on to 6, play the 6 again, do the 4, hammer on to 6 on the D, play 4, D and G, 6, D and G. Then we're playing a B power chord, back up to the C sharp power chord 2 times, do 4, hammer on to 6 on the D, play 4, D and G, 2nd fret on the A to an A power chord 2 times, A string, 2, hammer on to 4, to 2 on the D and the G, and again, jump back to the C sharp power chord 2 times, to an A power chord 2 times, finish on a B. So that's quite confusing, so let's do that slowly. Now guitar 2 is nearly exactly the same except our first bar. This time we're going to do the 4 and the D and the G, hammer on to 6, play the 6, D and G again, then do on the D string 4, hammer on to 6, 4 G, back to 6 on the D. And the rest stays exactly the same. That's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. So for our bridge, we're just repeating the 2nd chorus again, and then we have this last riff, and we're going to play this through 2 times. So just doing 9, D and G 2 times, to 11, A and D, back to the 9, D and G. Going to do exactly the same thing, come back 2 frets. Same thing again, but come back to the 2nd fret, to the 4th, back to the 2nd, then just move up 2 frets, repeat it again. And we're just doing that through 2 times. Then to finish off the rhythm, we're just going back to our 2nd chorus again and just keep repeating that till the end. Now let's have a look at our solo. So we're starting on the 11th fret on the G with the bend up and release it, and we do that 4 times. 3, 4, play 9th fret on the G, do a bend and release. Jump to the D, 11th fret, pull off to the 9th, back to 11, to G9, then jump to the 12th fret on the B, do a bend and release. Play 9 on the B and then just do the bend on 12B. Lots of vibrato there. Then we're bending 11 on the G. Play 9 on the B and the E 2 times. Back to the bend on 11G. 9B and E once. Back to the bend on 11G. 9 E and B 2 times. Back to the bend on 11. 9 B and E, and then to finish that section off, bend again on the 11G, 9 B and E, bend 11G, 9 B and E. So slowly. Then we're going to pull off 12 B and E, pull off to 11, pull off to 9. Jump to the 11th fret on the G and the B, do a bend and release. 9, G and B, and then we're going to bend 11 on the G, release, pull off to 9. then play 9, hammer onto 11. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Mr. Speed Guitar Lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.